An easy cocktail I like to make with bourbon is a brown derby. It requires 1 ounce of grapefruit juice, a ½ ounce of honey syrup. Honey syrup I just made in a mason jar. I took 2 parts honey and 1 part warm water and combined those together. The warm water helps to dissolve the honey, and 1.5 ounces of bourbon. I enjoy the Rebel Yell bourbon because it's a really affordable bourbon and still is good in cocktails. To start, I'll get my shaker cup, zero out my scale. Now I've already squeezed out my grapefruit juice, so I'm going to measure that first. Make sure that I have 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. Then I'm going to add my honey syrup. Again, that's 2 parts honey to 1 part warm water, and I just gently mix it, and now I'm ready to add a ½ ounce, and I'll go ahead and zero out my scale. So I make sure not to get this drink too sweet by adding too much honey syrup to it. That's good. And then 1.5 ounces of bourbon. And we're done. Now all we have to do is add some ice, shake that up, and double strain it into a chilled cocktail glass. Got my chilled cocktail glass, my double strainer. Let's give it a try. I can definitely taste the bourbon, and the honey is coming out strongly. It's slightly on the sweet side, depending on your taste. You could balance that out with a little bit of lemon juice or just back off on the honey syrup. But I do love the honey coming through. That's your brown derby.